Is Nuburu Inc., also known as BURU stock, headed for a total collapse? Or is this silence the calm before a 10x explosion? Is this the right time to enter this penny stock? Or could this stock actually make your money 10 times over? In today's video, we are performing a complete post-mortem on BURU stock to see which major updates from the last 24 hours have shaken the entire market. This video will be over 10 minutes long, so make sure to watch until the very end as we deep dive into every chart pattern, indicator, and news piece. Currently, BURU stock is trading at $0.1747, and in Friday's session, we saw a further decline of 5%. But the big question is this drop a massive buying opportunity? Looking at the price action, the chart shows a clear descending channel and a falling wedge pattern. The stock is continuously making a series of lower lows and lower highs. Right now, it is testing its most critical support level at $0.1690. If we get a bounce back from here, we could see a major trend reversal. The RSI indicator is currently at 47.12, which is technically neutral, but the momentum is shifting downward. The MACD still shows a bearish crossover, with the histogram producing red bars below the zero line, a clear sign of sustained selling pressure. Regarding moving averages, both the EMA 50 and EMA 200 are far above the current price, meaning the stock is in a severe downtrend. Until the price breaks out above $0.25, we cannot confirm any bullish reversal. Bollinger Bands are expanding significantly, indicating high volatility. A big move could happen at any moment, but currently, indicators point toward the downside. Volume analysis also shows that selling volume is much higher than buying volume, suggesting that large players are still exiting their positions. The biggest news in the last 24 hours is the amended report regarding the bond subscription agreement with Supply at ME Stock Company 3, or SIME 3. Nuburu has agreed to subscribe to bonds with a nominal value of €5.25 million, maturing in March 2029. This is a material investment that impacts the company's cash position. Additionally, Phase 1 execution with Maddox Defense has officially started in Houston, Texas, focusing on mobile additive manufacturing container units. This project targets a defense counter-drone market valued at over $20 billion. Furthermore, a binding agreement has been signed to acquire a 70% stake in the Italian defense firm Tekne, with the Golden Power authorization filing expected in April. Tekne is targeting revenue of €50 million for 2026 and over €100 million for 2027, which could be a total game changer for Nuburu. Now let's talk about that 10x potential everyone is buzzing about. If Nuburu succeeds in its defense transformation and the €100 million revenue from Tekne actually hits the company's balance sheet, the market cap, which is currently only $21 million, could grow exponentially. A 10x growth is only possible if the company turns its $34 million annual loss into a profit and grows from its current 8 employees into a major operational force. This is a long-term vision, but for high-risk investors, it could act as a lottery ticket if their blue laser technology truly clicks in the defense sector. However, the dark side cannot be ignored. The company's financials are extremely weak. Market capitalization has dropped to just $21.32 million, while the annual net income loss exceeds $34.52 million. Although the company implemented a 1-for-4.99 reverse stock split to save its NYSE listing, the danger of delisting remains if the price falls below $0.10. Short interest is also very high, with 28.91 million shares sold short, representing 6.6% of the float. This means many people are betting on the stock falling further. If you're considering a trade, remember that this is a high-risk, high-reward play where both technicals and fundamentals currently favor the bears. Always use a strict stop-loss and practice proper risk management. This video is for educational purposes only, and I am not a financial advisor. Investing in the stock market involves risk, so always consult with a professional and do your own research before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a major update on the stock or crypto markets. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Let me know in the comments, What do you think about BURU stock? Will it bounce back or continue its downward slide? See you in the next video. Take care until then.